So now I'm back din sa Terminal 3, NAIA Terminal 3, Level 3. Diri ko gikan sa na. This is the immigration sa mga OFW. OWA, they have special immigration for the OFW doing good service to the Filipino people, sacrificing dito sa gawas just to have a better life. So this one are all government services. So there are also there is a level 3. So na yung mga if you need government assistance, these different government departments, you can go here. There is a level 3 sa NAIA. Okay, and then as I mentioned, it's nice everywhere. Domestic departures, international departures, which is really handy so that ma-remind ka permi sa imuhang mga flights. Over here, there's toilets everywhere, and it looks decent. It's nice, well maintained. Here, I don't know which this is. Dignitaries Lounge. I think kanining mga diplomats or special people money din and you can chill, relax, and then we're back. So we're back din sa OFW Lounge where I started ganina. So ako nag-upload akong mga videos karon after this. As I mentioned, diha is katong sa immigration. I don't know what's upstairs. No, there's none. And then dinhi, as I mentioned, is katong gustong mga check-in. This is the departure area where asa tagalin. And then there's McDonald's that's open for public. Dinhi ang kanang musulod dinha nga area is katurang na mga ticket kana siya. There's a guard there on each side sa entrance, also that side. But if gusto ka mo chill and you can watch people doing check-ins, ingan ana mga taong nangalipay kay mularga na sila, mga taong nag-uol kay gibiyaan o nagpalayo sa pamilya, especially mga OFW, and just people watching. You can go up there sa McDonald's na sa taas and you can watch people. So free na siya, musaka rin ha. I mean free, open for public. Go. And then this, as you can see, passengers with boarding passes na pwede musulod. Okay, and that's the end of this video. Let's sum up sa Terminal 3 sa NAIA International Airport. As I mentioned, there's lots of airlines na karon nga gibalhin from Terminal 1 to Terminal 3. I think they're ramping up Terminal 3, moving some of the international airlines here. And then as I mentioned, if ang imuhang flight, domestic flight, connecting flight, or not necessarily connecting flight, but imong next flight is Cebu Pacific, domestic flight, it is better to actually come diri sa NAIA International Terminal 3 because dili ra ka mo gawas sa terminal. You arrive dito sa Obos katong domestic or international arrivals, and then after that madto ra ka dinhi check in sa domestic nimo nga Cebu Pacific, then you just stay in same terminal. And if imong connection is long, then you can also enjoy dito sa mga food courts nga akong gisyo kanina. So enjoy. The reason I'm doing this is of course to show you around sa NAIA terminal. To be honest, wala ko kabalo pod, and first time ko nakabalo sa mga ubang location because ako nang gi-walk around, and because I'm stuck here because akong flight na cancel and akong flight is still unyang gabi pa. Supposed to be early morning 2 o'clock, but karon it's 8 o'clock now on a different airline. So mo na yung akong kuan gihimo din so that you can also see, even though wala mo diri, you can just scroll through. I will not edit these videos because I don't have time, but you can just scroll through all these videos that show you around diri sa NAIA Terminal 3. Okay, and then now I'm going back sa OFW Lounge.